Hello?
Good morning. Is this Rachel?
Yes, this is she.
Hi, Rachel. My name is Dave. I'm calling from my home office here in Los Angeles, California. I understand that you were interested in starting an online business and was wondering if you're still in the market for it.
Yes, we are.
Cool. Have you started an online business or home business before?
No.
Well, it's a great way to make money. Sitting on your couch or on your deck. Let's see. What are you currently doing for work?
Currently my fiance is on disability. I'm 6 months pregnant, so I can't really work right now.
But you can. Don't say you can't work because you're pregnant. You can work from home, right?
Well, yes, it's hard to find somebody to hire you.
Well, we can help you with that. Tell me how your Wi-Fi and computer situation is. Are you able to work from home with a computer and have a good Wi-Fi connection and a phone?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Well, how soon were you looking to make money with your new business?
As soon as possible. My husband actually, my fiance, he actually does artwork, makes crafts out of wood and stuff like that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, trunks and stuff, with trunks and all. And he was wanting to start that up.
Wow. Okay, so if I were to show you this amazing opportunity and had all the support you needed to give you your own personal mentor to guide you every step of the way, allow you to stay at home and earn a living without paying crazy startup fees, would you still be interested in learning more?
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so what's going to happen next is after we hang up, let me ask you this first. As your email, let me make sure what your email is. Can you confirm your email for me?
Yeah, it's starting over with Ron at gmail.com.
Starting over?
Yeah, with Ron.
With Ron at Gmail. Okay. And of course I have your number here, correct? Okay, perfect. So what's going to happen next is I'm going to email and text you some information about the meeting today. And you'll want to log in and hear about what we do, who we help, and how you can make some money with our support. But before I send you that email, what does tomorrow look like for you? Is there a time available that we can follow up and talk to you about what you watched in the video?
Oh, yeah, I'm free from about noon on.
Okay, from 12 to, let's say 12 to 5. Is that good?
That's fine.
Perfect. So what I'll do is after you watch that video and I connect with you tomorrow, I'm going to set up with my personal mentor who's made a lot of money in a short time in her business and tell you her story, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Sounds perfect. Thank you so much, Rachel. Have a blessed day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Woo!
Hey,